Hello everyone, I am Professor Salunke, working as an assistant professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering of NB Navle Sinhgad College of Engineering, Solapur. My topic of presentation is impact of COVID-19 on mechanical engineers. As we all know, COVID-19 has severely impacted manufacturing industry due to worldwide lockdown. Majority of mechanical engineers work in manufacturing industry and major portion of the manufacturing industry is automobile industry. Due to lockdown, economy of the world is at a standstill and it has resulted in low sales of automobiles. This has resulted in pay cuts and job losses of the mechanical engineers. At the same time, due to less consumption of oil, prices worldwide has fallen drastically. This has resulted job loss of mechanical engineers working in refineries. Let us discuss the future post COVID-19. Market will eventually settle into new post pandemic normal which will partially resemble the world we are used to now. In fact, there will be closer reliance on the local markets and probably worldwide trade disruption. Manufacturing will be possibly be based on smaller markets and shorter value chains. In this environment, companies will have to reconsider the supply chain footprint and transform their operations to make them fit for the purpose and ready for the next disruption. Many new initiatives will be introduced in this new phase, but it is impossible to figure out how exactly company will drive their way to success, at least for now. To conclude, there will be a huge job loss and financial crisis of mechanical engineers, but the effect will be temporary. Everything will come to normalcy once the vaccine is generated. Thank you.